Hi everyone, welcome to Season 1, Episode 3 of Generative AI series. In this episode, we're going to see machine learning in action using an example. Myself, Anil Sagar, I'm a customer engineer at Google Cloud. In the previous video, we discussed in detail about machine learning with an example where we have seen a training data set where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 12. What is the value of the y if x is equal to 20? As a human, we can able to easily predict the y is actually multiplication of x by 2 and we can say 40. But how the machine learning can able to predict based on this data? We're going to train the model using PyTorch framework and use this training data and use linear regression model to identify the patterns so that it can able to predict whenever there is a new input. We're going to see this in action using Google Cloud, Vertex AI, Colab Enterprise. Colab is developed by Google, which is easy to execute Python environment in a browser. You don't need to manage any servers. It will start fast, and you can also do a lot of collaboration. Google Cloud Vertex AI platform also provides Colab with enterprise grade features. Not just how quickly you can able to execute machine learning models, but also it comes with enterprise grade security and compliance. Without any ado, let's see the machine learning example in action using Vertex AI Colab environment. You can also do this in Google Colab by navigating to colab.google. But for this demo, I'll be using Google Cloud Vertex AI platform. You can navigate to Google Cloud and then navigate to Google Cloud Vertex AI platform and select Colab Enterprise. Once you're in the Colab Enterprise, create a new notebook. It'll take a few minutes. Once the notebook is created with the runtime, you're ready to execute the code. In the meantime, we're gonna generate the code for our machine learning model. You can use Bard to generate the code. Again, it's not accurate, but you can do small changes to make it work. We can ask Bard to generate the machine learning model using PyTorch and Python. I'm just giving a simple prompt and asking it to generate the Python code. It's not 100% accurate. Sometimes you need to do little changes, but you can able to make it work. We got the code from Bard. Just make sure some of the things are accurate because sometimes you need to modify the code to make it work. I'll keep this code in the description where you can able to copy it. Just to explain this code, we are using the PyTorch and we are going to use MATLAB to plot a graph. And as you can see, we are passing the x data and y data. We are using the linear regression model and we initialize the model and we define some parameters and we train the model. When we train the model, we get the slope of the line and the y-intercept. Once we have that, when we pass on the new data, model can able to predict. Let's execute this particular piece of code and see the results. It'll just take few seconds. As you can see, our model is trained and we are able to find out the slope of the line and also the y-intercept. As you can see, the model predicted the value of y when x is equal to 20 is 39.984. It's close to 40, but it's not exactly 40 because you need more data so that it can able to accurately predict. See, let's see what happens if we can able to give more data. For example, 10, 20, and retrain the model. So when you pass on more data, the accuracy will start to improve. Right now it is 39.984. Let's execute the code once again and let's see what happens. As you can see, now it is very, very close, 40.006. As you can see, the more data that you give to the model, the more accurate it will start becoming. Let's update this code to plot a graph. So we just able to plot the graph using matplot lib library. And let's execute the code and let's see the slope and y-intercept and the graph in action. As you can see, it is able to plot the graph and identify the pattern and draw the line as well as find out what is the y-intercept and the slope, which is nothing but the weight. So that's how the machine learning works. So hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to post your questions in the comments below. If you do like the video, please like and share and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you again.